Thanks a lot, Tara. Good afternoon to you. So far, we have just been seeing a mix of sun and clouds across the region. Temperatures at this lunchtime hour currently in the 80s. Now, we are beginning to see clouds increase, and I am still expecting chances of showers and thunderstorms to increase as we head into the afternoon and into the evening hours. I will have the latest on our rain chances for today, plus the latest on the tropics coming up in about 10 minutes.
Your WCBI First Alert AccuWeather forecast with meteorologist Vanessa Alonso.
Good afternoon. Thank you so much for joining us here on Midday. Let's start off with the tropics as we now have some triple trouble to watch over the next week. We first have Tropical Depression number 13, Tropical Depression number 14, and now this storm that has just moved off the coast of Africa that has a 40% chance of development over the next 5 days. But we have to monitor 13 and 14 very closely as they have the potential to become both Laura and Marco over the next 24 hours. And these could have an impact on the U.S. Here are the latest advisories on 13 and 14. Currently, 13 has winds at 35 miles per hour. Tropical Depression number 14 has winds as well at 35 miles per hour. Now, the latest forecast cones from the National Hurricane Center has 14 making landfall somewhere along the Yucatan Peninsula as a tropical storm heading into the weekend and then heading out into the Gulf of Mexico and possibly making landfall somewhere along Louisiana or Texas early next week. And then we have that 13 that will be pushing through the Caribbean islands and then the Bahamas and maybe making landfall in South Florida on Monday as a Category 1 storm, which ironically will also be the 28th anniversary of when Category 5 Hurricane Andrew hit the city on August 24th, 1992. So I lived through that storm, and that's definitely a day that we won't forget in South Florida for forever. And those temperatures across the Gulf of Mexico and the Atlantic are very warm in the 80s, and that's what hurricanes and tropical systems need to feel themselves and get stronger. So that is why the intensity and the forecast can still change with these systems. So it only causes one to make issues happen with our weather. So this is something that Keith, Trevor, and I will be watching very closely. So keep it tuned to WCBI for the latest. Temperatures at this lunchtime hour, upper 70s, lower 80s. We are seeing clouds increase as this system to our south will be bringing us those chances of showers and storms over the next couple of days. Here is a quick look at your forecast for this afternoon, showing temperatures will top out at 88 degrees with a 60% chance of showers and storms. Another round for your Friday, then those rain chances will scale back for the weekend, but the 90s and the summer humidity will make a comeback heading into next week. We'll be right back after this.